Hey y'all, my name is Todd Cosmo. I'm here in the Virginia Tech Dreams Lab working on the NASA University Student Research Challenge. What we're trying to do here is basically create a robotic work cell that can 3D print up a drone, drop electronics in it, print over it, and let it fly off the bed so that it can go be deployed into the world. So we're a student organization. We received money from NASA from a NASA grant that we wrote ourselves, and we've been able to utilize this incredible opportunity to really hone our technical skills, get entrepreneurial skills, and really engage in a transformative project that we have here. But one of the really big issues that we're having right now is we want to accomplish so much that we need a way to fast track a lot of these development times. And the best way to do that is through buying off-the-shelf industry hardware that's going to allow us to prototype quickly and really make an impact here. If you can give us money to buy a $15 roll of filament, right on, thank you. But also, if you're able to provide a large contribution that can revolutionize the way that we can manufacture drones in our work cell, that is also equitably appreciated. We really want this to be part of the fourth industrial revolution here at Virginia Tech, and that's why we're looking for contributions from anybody within the Hokie community or from industry outside, or just anybody that's interested in helping students learn about awesome technical stuff that's going to really help the world in general.